Hello, today we are going to talk about Hero FinCorp Business Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Hero FinCorp Business Loan. Having minimum turnover is more 50 lakh. Co-applicant age should be between 24 year to 65 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 680. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 5 lakh to 40 lakh. Tenure will be 12 month to 36 month. Rate of interest will be 18% to 21% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 3 days for sanction and 7 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4%. Processing fees will be 1.50% to 3% of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed with applicable charges. Business registration proof is mandatory. Co-applicant is mandatory if applicant is other than proprietorship firm. Business vintage should be 3 year. Processing mode will be online. Ownership proof is required, either office or residence must be owned. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Hero FinCorp Business Loan without financial up to 30 lakh. Location will be Pen India. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are advocates, share traders, liquor, school, real estate, aviation sector, tour and travel, both side rented, grain trader. No specific product for professional. Required documents. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant if company, or list of partners, if applicant is partnership LLP.